Well, I'm sure you have some questions regarding the ammo availability and what's going on with ammunition manufacturing right now today. And luckily, we have Steve Hornady here with us, president of Hornady. So Steve, tell us, I mean, what really is the deal with production and availability?
Adam, I don't know what you're talking about. What's the issue? There's everything that you've ever wanted.
Well, I mean, I've seen you guys back there making hot dogs and pizza on your production lines. I mean, what's going on?
We had to have a little fun with it. But everybody in this industry, it's not just us, are working as hard as they can to get as much out as possible. And we're all aware of the political situation and a whole bunch of the threats to hunters and shooters across the country by some of our politicians. And people are reacting to that. They get nervous, they walk into the store, they don't see as much as they want, so they take everything they can get. When the next guy comes in, he can't get anything, so then he panics and does it again. And this is purely a consumer-driven issue. There is no government conspiracy. The government is not buying all the ammunition. The United Nations is not taking everything or stopping us. Obama didn't tell us to cut down on production. It didn't happen. We're all working as hard as we can.
And some of the steps that you've taken at Hornady include you're putting more people on the line.
Absolutely.
You're running more shifts.
Absolutely.
And you've also temporarily suspended some of the maybe less popular or more specifically oriented products in order to increase production of some of the more popular.
That's right. And what that does is that leaves you more uptime on a machine. Instead of changing it over to make from one bullet to the next, you can just keep it running during that. And it's just productivity is what that is.
And you know, I think one thing that some people may fail to realize is that these issues aren't really necessarily limited to the ammunition industry. When you're talking about things like raw materials, there are other industries.
That's exactly right. We're dependent upon the people who make our copper, who make nitric acid, which is what goes into gunpowder in order to make nitric cellulose. So all of these things affect the whole industry and that are beyond just what we're doing within the United States.
Well, the presses are still running all the time at Hornady. There's new products coming out for 2014. Check them out at Hornady.com.